Hi friends, I am Ribin. Dear audience, welcome to my channel. Chocolate, one of the products that people of all age loves. I think people who does not love chocolate will be rare, right? At present, we are consuming chocolate in a bar form, isn't it? But can you believe the fact that chocolate was used as a beverage for a long time since its invention? Yes, chocolate was consumed as a beverage for about 90% of its long history. The chocolate we are having today, that is a bar one, was invented only before 200 years. In this video, let's discuss about the story of chocolate, its history, development and background. Everything started 4,000 years ago in Mesoamerica, which means today's Mexico. Chocolate was made from the fruits of the cocoa plants which are native to the Central and South America. These fruits are called pods and each pod contains almost 40 cocoa beans. It is believed that the Olmec civilization were the first to use chocolate. The Olmec civilization were the earliest known major Mesoamerican civilization. They existed from 2500 BC to 400 BC. The Olmecs converted the pods into a juicy form and this was believed to be the first ever chocolate. The Olmecs drank chocolate during their rituals and they also used this juicy chocolate as a medicine. This was the beginning of everything. Centuries later, Mayans under Mesoamerican civilization took chocolate to another level. The Maya civilization is divided into two halves. First one, the early Maya that started from 1800 BC to AD 250 and the second one, the classic Maya that started from AD 250 to AD 900. The Mayan chocolate was mixed with chili pepper, honey and water. The Mayans poured this mixture from one pot to another, producing a thick beverage called chocolatl, which means bitter water. The Mayans used chocolate during celebrations and they also used chocolate to finalize imperative transactions. Next was the turn of the Aztecs, another Mesoamerican civilization. The Aztec civilization started from 1300 to 1521. The Aztecs believed that chocolate was given to them by their gods, so that they considered chocolate more valuable than gold. The Aztec chocolate was almost similar to the Mayan one, but the interesting fact is that the Aztecs used chocolate as a currency to buy food and other products. It is also believed that the mighty Aztec ruler Montezuma II drank a lot of chocolate each day to gain energy and he also used chocolate as an aphrodisiac. Hence, chocolate became popular all over Mesoamerica. Then came the turning point. In 16th century, Hernan Cortes, a Spanish explorer, came to Mesoamerica. During his visit, the Aztecs gave him chocolate. Cortes, who loved chocolate, took some cocoa seeds with him when he returned to Spain. There, Cortes introduced these cocoa seeds to the Spanish. This was the first time ever chocolate was introduced outside Mesoamerica. Soon, Spain started to make chocolates of their own. Compared to the Mesoamerican chocolate, the Spanish chocolate was somewhat different. The Spanish chocolate was mixed with honey and sugar to improve the taste. In 1585, Spain started to import chocolates. Soon, other European countries like France and Italy too started to make chocolate. Remember, in 1615, the French king Louis XIII married Anne of Austria, who was the daughter of Spanish king Philip III. And chocolate was served during this marriage function. That itself proves that chocolate was that important for the Europeans during that period. Soon, chocolate mania spread all over Europe and the whole Europe witnessed a chocolate revolution. But remember, still chocolate was used as a beverage. And also, there were two major problems. Number one, until then chocolate was made using hands, which was really a Herculean task. And number two, until then in Europe, chocolate was a luxury that rich people could only have and enjoy. The poor only got to taste chocolate during some prestigious ceremonies or events. All these problems were solved in 1828 when the Dutch chemist Coenraad Johannes van Houten discovered chocolate press machine. The chocolate press could squeeze the cocoa butter from the roasted cocoa beans, leaving a fine cocoa powder. This powder is then mixed with other liquids and poured into a mold to solidify, resulting into a beautiful chocolate bar. This process helped a lot in the growth of chocolate as it made chocolate affordable to everyone and helped chocolate to be mass produced. Hence, from Europe, chocolate reached each and every corner of the world. And that's how from beverage form chocolate was converted into bar form, and hence the modern day chocolate was born. And also, according to the development in technology, chocolate too developed, and that's how we are having delicious chocolates right now. And guys, this is the short story of chocolate. And actually, if we are talking about the story of chocolate, there are many and many things to be conveyed, but unfortunately, all those details cannot be conveyed within a 10 minutes video. So I think I had presented majority of the points in front of you. And the important fact is that we all love chocolate and we all are having a lot of chocolates, but still many of us don't know the history of chocolate and its past. So I hope that this video was informative to you as well as interesting, isn't it? Anyways, I hope that all of you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please like this video and also please subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to wind up this video, guys. So with another interesting topic on another day, I'll be again coming in front of you. Until then, this is Ribin signing off. Bye bye. This chocolate is simply magnificent, guys. So let me finish it. It's simply superb.